is for apple, apple. Baby eats it with a smile so dimple. B is for banana, banana. He laughs out loud, what a drama. C is for carrot, carrot. Crunchy munchy in his little pocket. D is for doglet, dog. He runs and plays through the morning fog. E is for eggplant, eggplant. Big eyes blinking, what a chat. F is for fig, fig. Clapping hands, he does a happy jig. G is for grapes, grapes. He giggles and rolls, no escape. H is for honeydew, honeydew. One bite in, sweet like dew. I is for iceberg, iceberg. Shake, 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 now that's superb. J is for jackfruit, jackfruit. He stares so big, wow, it's cute. K is for kiwi, kiwi. Funny face, so silly and cheeky. L is for lemon, lemon. Sour face and lips all shrunken. M is for mango, mango. Yummy bites, go, go, go. N is for nectarine, nectarine. Wink and smile, what a scene. O is for orange, orange. Juicy juice and happy range. P is for pineapple, pineapple. Spin around like a happy marble. Q is for quince, quince. One big bite and he starts to wince. R is for radish, radish. Funny face and a tiny squeakish. S is for strawberry, strawberry. Sweet and red, oh so merry. T is for tomato, tomato. Bite and make what a show. U is for ugly fruit, ugly. He looks and says this one's lovely. V is for vanilla, vanilla. He sniffs and hums like a little fella. W is for watermelon, watermelon. Splash, splash, fun, what a melon. X is for sequoia, X, sequoia. Big bite, ooh la la. Y is for yum, yeah, your thumbs up high. Yes I am. Z is for zucchini, zucchini. He giggles loud, teeny weeny. Yay, that's A to Z with baby boy. Fruits and veggies bring so much joy.